Oh, goedenavond en welkom aan Die Weer Alweer. Good evening and welcome on Wither the Weather. My name is Johan van der Walt. Normally I work as a security official here by Left Out Loud. Laugh Out, yes. Here by the bloody television program. They've asked that I do a weather report for you, but we don't normally do one here, but the big bosses have said we can't get it any more wrong than the other bloody channels, so we're going to give it a chance. No. So the weather tomorrow in South Africa is fine to mild, except for the places where it aren't. And here in the westelijke provincie, in the Western Cape, in the very bottom of the country, in the crotch of the region, it are all looking very miserable and overcast and drizzly. And the weather's even worse. There are lots of low-pressure cells. Some of the cells are at Pollsmoor, some of the cells are at Robbing Island. Of course, the big problem here by Cape Town is that it is always raining men. Hallelujah. And in Noordelijke Kaap, there are a 37% chance of rain. 37%. That's not good enough. It's not good enough. That are a failure. Nee, kom Noordelijke Kaap. You can do better than that, nee? And don't steal the exam papers either. Here in the Middle Earth, this our Tolkien country, nee? Look who's Tolkien now. There is nothing happening because it are deserted. It are deserted. It is deserted. And here in Port Elizabeth, it are very windy. Die winde van verandering blaas, dit blaai. That are a combination of blow and blaas. It's blaai. It's a new word. Keep it, use it if you want to. Here in KwaZulu-Natal, it's very bloody hot. Very, very hot. So hot, in fact, that members of the IFP will walk in on ANC rallies just to get some cold stares. That's very hot. Over Gauteng, there's a huge cumulonimbus cloud, which are covering the whole of the region, so you can't see anything. The fog is very thick. You can't see a fogging thing. And here in the Kalahari Reserve, I have had word that the animals are on the run. They are running down the country. They are stampeding. So this are a tsunami warning. It's are raining cats and dogs. You heard it from me. Anyway, the highs and lows for tomorrow. The highs will happen during the day, and the lows will happen at night. And the highs are always the bigger numbers, eh? Onthou. Dis al van my kant, Johan van der Walt. Tot volgende week. Remember, don't let the sun go down on you.